Hello, I'm here to update you all on what's been happening since the avalanche really threw a 360 impacting our lives as well as our community. The city is responsible for cleaning the roads only. However, our home, the property where the avalanche had the most impact, the city is not responsible to clean. We couldn't start cleaning our property until the city was done clearing the main roads. And for the city to really finish that cleaning process took approximately 3 weeks. During that time, we had to walk a different route to access our home, walking on top of an avalanche to gain access to the house. The city finally finished clearing the roads. So last week, we hired someone from the community to clean the snow off our driveway and our property. It took them 1 week to clean everything, and it was intense work to clear the snow. They had to use excavators and trucks to clean the snow and relocate it from our property to a different location. The driveway area is clear. However, there are piles of snow surrounding the property, and we were warned that snow can possibly roll, so we have to keep an eye on it. We're here to share that we spent $14,000 for the snow cleaning services of our property, which took an entire week. We asked for your support, and your donations helped us immensely. Our cars were destroyed by the avalanche, and the insurance company will send an appraiser out to analyze and determine the cost of the damages, now that the snow has finally been cleared out of our driveway. We had to wait until the city was done so we can clean our property. And finally, yesterday, once the snow was cleared, we were able to see our cars. The damage is unbelievable. Let's see what the insurance company says tomorrow. We want to thank you for your amazing support and your donations. Please continue sharing and spreading the word with your family, friends, coworkers, and beyond. It is truly a tremendous help to us.